in this case, right, we're not gum sawing. See, when you gum saw, it gives a direct downward. Now, when we have class, if y'all remind me, say, hey, teach me about the gum saw that angles. Okay. The gum saw that angles. Why did I say that? Because you don't necessarily have to do it like this, and this is part of it. But if you turn your hand just a slight bit, it'll create a angle outside. And then you can direct someone's kick. Because most times when you see gum saw, it's pressing straight. Even when it's crossing, it's pressing straight, right? So in this case, it's gone. He ends up kicking with the back leg. Now, I'm gonna have you kick higher than that. I know you. I want you to get used to it.
Okay. Okay.
And then I punch. This is Ganda. Now, this is Ganda. I'm hitting. I'm a cover. I'm a hit. He has to deal with this. I'm just giving him this fist. So he's gonna need to have his hands up, especially in this case, because this is gonna be a tricky one. So right here, he kicks, and there he goes. There he goes. Did I ever tell y'all that even if y'all kick, y'all can actually slow up or speed up how you land? Did anybody, did y'all know that? I don't expect my new guys to know that much, but if you ever wonder why in Chum Q in the Moyat lineage, then I said it. So I can get that form, I can hold it, and I'm holding it, and I'm holding it to eventually want to plant. It's at my control. So he could time it even if I gone south and time coming in. It's a trick I did. It's just using time. Time is the greatest trick of all. Time and distance. So I'm gonna kick towards him. Look at that. So I have it here. He has his punch here. I'm gonna make sure I attack from that side because he gave me that side, right? So one more time, and there I go. Right? I don't even have to stand like this, right? I can switch in as well. I can come from here and just go. Ooh. I can do some pretty stuff with it. I got this arm here. I can come back. I have that opportunity.